Hey, what's up guys? So over the years ago, fast charging technology has become a boon for the smartphone users, and we have seen and also enjoyed having 18 watt of quick charge support on our mobiles in the past. But in the recent years, we have been craving for the fast charging speed. Realme and Oppo have offered 65 watt super VOOC charging in the recently released mobiles, and the latest rumor claims that they are working over 125 watt ultra dart charging speed in the future, which charges a 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 41% in just 5 minutes. The Qualcomm's Quick Charge 5 is 4 times faster and also 70% more efficient than the Quick Charge 4. It has been made possible by the support of 2 years batteries and 20 volt power delivery, which means that you will soon get to see 2 years battery packs which are connected in series. Since the charging voltage is too high, Qualcomm also has solution for that, as they claim that the Quick Charge 5 is 10% more cooler than the Quick Charge 4. While the 100 watt charging speed does sound like the highlight of the Quick Charge 5, the benefit of the phone maker switching to Quick Charge 5 will be the fact that you will be able to get a standard PDPPS charger to quickly juice up your smartphone. If the PDPPS supported charger is capable of outputting the power that your phone requires, then you can use it to fast charge your device. As the recently announced Oppo 125 watt super flash charge solution uses PDPPS protocol, which can support up to 20 volt and 6.3 amps. The Quick Charge 5 is supported on Qualcomm's latest flagship chipsets, the Snapdragon 865 and Snapdragon 865 Plus. The company plans to integrate this fast charging technology into future premium and high-tier Snapdragon mobile platforms. Currently, the chipmaker is testing this charging solution, and we should expect it to appear in the commercial devices in the Q3 of 2020 or sometimes later this year. With that being said, we'll meet up in the next video. Stay tuned.